Hey beauties! Welcome to a world where makeup meets imagination, and every brushstroke is a little burst of creativity. Today, I'm going to take you on a whimsical claymation journey through the world of everyday drugstore makeup. Whether you're a seasoned beauty lover or just starting out, there's something magical about transforming your look with affordable finds. Imagine if your morning routine was a fun stop-motion adventure, where every product comes to life and your vanity is a stage for playful beauty. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive in and see how a simple routine can become a work of art. First up, it's all about that base. I'm talking foundation and concealer. These are the building blocks of any look, smoothing out your canvas and giving you that fresh, flawless start. Drugstore brands have really stepped up their game lately, offering a variety of shades and formulations. No matter your skin tone or type, there's a match waiting for you on those shelves. Picture a cute little clay bottle of foundation doing a happy dance as it matches your skin tone perfectly. It's like magic. And the best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to get that seamless, natural finish. Don't forget concealer. A dab under the eyes or on any blemishes, and suddenly you're looking wide awake and ready to take on the day. It's like a tiny clay eraser for your skin. Next, we need to bring some life back to those cheeks. After all, a little color can brighten your whole face and mood. Enter the trusty blush, a pop of color that can make all the difference. It's like giving your cheeks a gentle pinch from a friendly clay hand. I love grabbing a rosy pink or a warm peach from brands like Milani or NYX. These shades add a healthy glow and are super easy to blend, even for beginners. Imagine a tiny clay brush swirling in a clay blush pan, twirling across a cheek with a flourish. It's a little dance that instantly wakes up your complexion. And if you want to add a touch of radiance, swipe on a bit of highlighter. Drugstore highlighters can give you that dewy, lit-from-within look without any glitter overload. Now let's talk eyes, because they are the windows to your soul after all. A little color and definition can make your eyes pop and express your mood for the day. On this journey, our tiny clay eyeshadows are bursting with color. From soft neutrals to playful pops, there's a shade for every vibe. From subtle nudes to bold blues, drugstore palettes offer it all. And don't forget mascara. It's the finishing touch that brings your whole look together. A trusty tube of Maybelline's Great Lash is a staple, with a little clay wand that wiggles its way to voluminous lashes. It's been a favorite for generations, and for good reason. Brows, though, they frame your face and give it character. A well-groomed brow can totally transform your look, making you appear more polished and put together. Imagine a clay pencil sketching out the perfect arch, filling in sparse spots with precision. It's like sculpting your own masterpiece, one hair at a time. Brands like ELF have these brow kits that are both affordable and effective. With powders, gels, and tiny brushes, you can create brows that are bold or natural, whatever suits your style. Finally, we can't forget the lips. They're the finishing touch, the cherry on top of your makeup sundae. Whether you're into a classic red or a subtle nude, drugstore aisles have you covered. There are creamy formulas, matte finishes, and even hydrating balms for every preference. Picture a mini clay lipstick rolling across a set of lips, leaving a trail of vibrant color. It's a playful way to express yourself, no matter your mood. The beauty of drugstore makeup is that it allows you to experiment without breaking the bank. You can try new trends, switch up your look, and still have money left for coffee. You can mix and match products to create a look that's uniquely you. Layer a bold lip with a soft eye, or go all out with color. There are no rules here. So next time you're strolling through the aisles, remember that your everyday routine can be just as artistic and fun as any claymation adventure. Let your creativity run wild and don't be afraid to try something new. Thanks for coming along with me on this colorful journey. I hope you feel inspired to play, experiment, and embrace the magic of makeup in your own way. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more whimsical beauty adventures. Your support helps this creative community grow. Until next time, keep experimenting, stay fabulous, and remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing your unique self.